So, may vlog na naman tayo ngayon. Iraq Prime Minister Saidi visit the White House and meet the President Donald Trump right now, 2026. You know what, Iraq Saidi, for all Muslim to encourage your country for Iranian war in America. Qatar, all drama. Nagpapanggap lang kayo na magkakaaway. Kalukuhan yun. All Muslim for religion about you, God and Allah. As your connection as well. Gusto nilang pumasok sa Amerika para mapahamak ang America now because President Trump always believed tanga-taka siya. He not get you. And now, 2026, and before the Obama, pamumuno ni President Obama, terrorist attack before George W. Bush Twin Tower in collapsed to plane and attacked the US and city. So, hindi talaga nawawala yung mga away na yan because his record is record. Now, the Iranian-Palestine Gaza, lahat yan mga Muslim yan, iisa lang ang God nila, si Allah, yung God nilang prophet. Nagpapanggap lang sila magkakaaway and defendant, magkakasabwat sila. You know, it's like to blaming about religion and battle of Christian. Ikaw, President Donald Trump, Christian ka. Bakit nagpapakatanga ka sa mga Muslim? Muslim religion and Christian religion is a battle here for empire to battle of the Christ about this the war in politics connection in people pride behind it, immoral and over the killing criminal act. Napakatanga mo talaga. At saka, you know, always something to live. At ikaw, Prime Minister Iraq Saidi, you're based in the White House now. At, you know, funny, I have a private plane and airport for close it for about your emergency because you are landing in United States now. Eh, dapat sana Iraq Saidi. Namatay ka na sa plane palang lumilipad at pinasabog na ng bomba yan. Sinasakyan mo. Kaya ngayon uuwi ka ng Amerika, alis ka ng Amerika. I wanna get you for military news to post my speech in order now. Para pasabugin ang sinasakyan mo, Iraq Saidi Prime Minister. At hindi ka na makauwi sa bansa mo at mamatay ka na. You know your drama about the war. Your behavior always other. Where you continue old shit. Like a people, and believe me. Panoorin nyo, nakakatawa. I want to conference the president of interview about the Muslim. Tanga-tanga ka ba, President Donald Trump? You believe in the God, but you're always confident for Iraq about Muslim evil nation in a battle of few countering signs. Susunod, President Donald Trump, alamin mo muna yung background lahat ng president. Bago, you were not meeting to mention you change. Always better mention of workers, American people, democracy always show, you know, dream because of money. Isa lang ang sagot yan eh, dahil sa pera, sa kayamanan, that you fucking overgun. Layo, hindi ka nga nagbibigay sa President Trump ng pera eh. Kahit $1 million, hindi mo ipapadala sa Philippines. Bang, ang tagal-tagal na, di ba? And over the ICC, and over you. When arrested before the Falcon Blood number in Korea and Jong Jong and Prime Justin Trudeau went over you acting. ICC is directly to me as well the order against you war in over time. Uutusan ko sila para ikulong kayo. Well, for Senate about ICC is not order. Really? At saka nakakatawa yung mga pinagagawa niyo President Donald Trump. At ikaw, Iraq, Prime Minister leader is the being good over the blaming of Muslim in Iran. Mga kalahi niyo yan. Kalahi niyo yan. Tinatanggihan niyo, tinatabo niyo. Tigilan ng drama. It's not funny. You're not ready. You're always living good. Para kang isang Superman na lumilipad na wala namang pakpak. Nakatali lang pala. You're fake and fake real. So follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Nakaka-stress silang panuurin. I don't get to understand for English speaking but the people here. is I'll learn you until now. Thank you.